Hi, this is Mel from Bangle Whisper. Today we're going to the Busch Garden. Now this is Busch Garden in Williamsburg, Virginia. So as we are waiting in the car to get our parking ticket, this is for parking at the Busch Garden. As you know, Busch Garden parking is very difficult because there are a lot of cars and parking lots are most of the time full. So today is a good weather, so hope the weather cooperates, and as you see the parking lot is full totally. It's around daytime, 10 o'clock. If you go to the Busch Garden, be sure to go around early morning because it takes about whole day to spend in the Busch Garden. Now this is, as soon as you enter, this is the Iris Festival. Actually they make it look like kind of like Ireland, and as you enter, here's the Iris Festival going on. So a lot of music and fun and food, and I had to cut out the music due to the copyright issue. So this is really beautiful, and here is a water place where the water coming down. The water looks really awesome. It was so hot, feel like taking a shower in that water. And this is summer, so a lot of peoples are there, and it was really fun, very nice, a lot of places to eat and things to see is huge, and if you could spend 2 days you might be able to cover everything. And there were a lot of rides, but in order to get in the ride the lines are very long, so in one day covering everything was not possible. So as you can see, this is very nice long walk. And this is France. So we come into France. There's this big clock, and they make the place look like France, and they don't let you carry any food, so you have to buy food there, but you can take a water bottle. Just keep a bottle, and inside you can keep filling up your bottle, because the food and water are very expensive inside, but the food you have to buy because they don't let you carry, and water just keep one bottle and keep filling up inside. There are a lot of places where you can fill up the bottle. Here's the ride. This was like the really small, like almost like a death ride, but this was really good, and a lot of kids are screaming so much. There was so much scream. It was a good ride, really good ride. If you can take the fall from all the way up to the going round, I mean, after you come out of the ride, you're sure to throw up. You need to have a really strong stomach. And now the big drop. Watch the big drop coming. Yes, going down. It was really good. Really good drop. Very scary. A really good drop. All the sides. So there were like 5 or 6 really scary ones, and there are very long lines, so you lose about an hour or more on each place and standing in long line just to get in the ride. The ride is for a few seconds or minutes, but the lines are very long, and overall you need about 2 days to see Busch Garden. If you have 3 days then it's good, but only thing is that your ticket is good for one day, so you need to buy 2-3 tickets. You want to see the whole thing. It was really good. And you need to be able to walk a lot, so have good comfy shoes, so you can walk miles after miles. Yeah, it was beautiful. I love Busch Garden. I could go to Busch Garden almost like every day if I could. Well, I wouldn't want to walk so much every day, but it was really, really good. Really good going to the Busch Garden. Now here they also have a ride. They have a big ride here. Every ride place you have to have someone with you so someone can hold everything for you while you go up in the ride, or you can rent a locker and just have nothing in your hand, because when you're going up in the ride you can't have anything with you. So this was really good. It's a beautiful day, really beautiful day to go out and walk and have really fun at the Busch Garden. Now here are some animals here, but it was so hot. The animals were pretty much hiding. Here two bald eagles. Here we have two bald eagles. Yes, there it is, Mr. and Mrs. Eagle. They were just sitting under the tree and just chilling. Under the tree was nice and cool. So that was very nice. Now we are going to the Ireland, which is Irish Festival, and the same water area where we're going to see virtual reality show, and this was really good. This virtual reality show was so good. It felt like real, and it was all going in the like sky, moon and stars, and it was so real. I like sometimes many kids screamed. They thought they were really traveling. It was so real. So it was a lot of fun. Now that also a long line, and would be like 1 hour ride line just to get few rides. And this is also another one, and this one was also an hour and a half waiting in line just to get into the ride. Now there comes the big draw. Whoa, there it goes. So that was just few clips for the Busch Garden I captured for you guys. Thank you so much. I hope you liked it. Good night. Thank you.